In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is essentially just open up the game itself. And then go ahead and just hit like the little like Roblox icon up in the top left, and you're going to see an invite friends option just in this section. So go ahead and select that. Once you do that, you can just go through your friends list and choose whoever it is that you want to go ahead and invite and just hit invite on each of their names. Now, when they do join, you do get extra bonuses like luck boost, which makes the game a lot easier overall. So it is worth having your friends join in whenever you have the opportunity to. But that's the full basis of inviting your friends here on Slime RNG. Now you can upgrade these specifically. If you go into these, you'll see those friend luck over here. Increase these as much as possible and you guys will be good to go. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.